So let's see what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBPUSD. So first thing first, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, if you are new and you're not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, with what market is doing at GBPUSD is more likely going to drop further and take out this low. So basically, our prediction, previous prediction on GBPUSD was markets will definitely bounce up since you'll be expecting a rejection, right? Markets what did what it eventually give us that bounce, right? Market give us a rejection, it bounced up, right? Thereby forming a double bottom. Now, what market is doing? Market is literally dropping. There's a possibility that it will continue that drop to it's able to take out this low, which is what we should be expecting. Remember, I told you guys that our buyers should also be always, because markets will change. We could predict a certain movement and markets will eventually give us that change. So this is one of the reasons why you always need to buyers open. Now let's zoom it right, go to our daily time frame guys here. This can be seen as our low, and here is the lower high. Now markets eventually drop to give us a new lower low. Now here comes what? The lower high. Right now market was able to drop one more time to form a new lower low, and this is the lower high. Now market eventually drop one more time to form a new lower low, and here comes the lower high. Now with this lower high, we will be expecting market to continue to drop till it is able to give us a new lower low, thereby taking out this previous low. So this is to tell you that bearish move is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP. Now let's go down to our daily time frame right here. This is the current trend on our 4-hour time. Sorry, this is our 4-hour time frame, and this is the current movement on our 4-hour time. You can see it. We are trending to the downside also. So now this is the movement right here, guys. This is our low, and this is the low. This can also be seen as the lower low. Here comes lower high. This is also the lower low, and this is our lower high. Now market was able to drop to form a lower low, so this is a new lower low. Now we should be expecting market to give us a lower high, but it eventually drop one more time to form a new lower low. So this is to tell you that we will be anticipating for a bearish move for the day on our GBP. So make sure you subscribe so you will not miss out on more updates we'll be dropping for you guys.